Hey foodies, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy caramel sauce. This will last in your fridge for a couple weeks, and it just a few ingredients and it's going to jazz up any dessert, ice cream, cheesecake, you name it, it's going to make it the best thing that your kids are going to love. So you're going to start by melting some butter. Let me put that there. Okay, so I'm going to melt that and just warm it up, just make it melt. Okay, so it's melted. I'm going to add my sugar and my salt. Making sure I don't splash myself. Now at this point, if you want to have more of a brown butter caramel sauce, I would suggest that you brown the butter just a tiny bit more. But you can see already over in the corners, it's already starting to brown. Okay, so I'm going to start to whisk this, and I'm going to add my vanilla. There we go. And I'm going to add my whipping cream. And I want to whisk it constantly. Okay, so this has taken a couple minutes. It doesn't take long to boil down. I cooked that until 104 degrees Celsius, and that's the jelly stage, or essentially just until it's not super watery. You can see it's a little bit liquid. It's going to thicken as it cools. So now you just pour it into a jar. I've got a mason jar here, and it's probably too big for the container. Oh my goodness. That looks so good. Oh my goodness. Me. This can sit in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. I know for my family it's not going to. The whole family is just going to enjoy all of it, which is really, really good. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's good. Let me know what you think if you've ever made a caramel sauce. Thanks for watching.